If you think holding in a sneeze is harmless, think again. There are cases where stifling a sneeze burst someone's windpipe. One guy ended up in the ER because the pressure tore through his neck. And it gets worse. Holding in a sneeze can rupture your eardrums or even cause a brain aneurysm. Yeah, your head could pop like a water balloon. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, let it rip. Before the craziest fact, double tap if you've ever sneezed so hard your whole body shook. And here's the wildest part, sneezing at the right moment has saved lives. One guy sneezed while driving and barely dodged a crash. Subscribe or risk a sneeze so powerful, it resets your brain.